To this look. Hey you, what's up and welcome back to my channel. We're back here today with another Makeup Monday video. Today's video is going to be very exciting because we're going to be doing a first impressions eyeshadow palette review, whatever you want to call it, of a palette that I've been dying, well, I'm not even going to say a specific palette, but of a company, of a brand that I've been dying to get a little piece of, okay? I just want to know what she's all about. Like, this is going to be our first encounter, our first greeting. So hello. But yes, for those of you who are new, my name is TylorWithAnO. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my future uploads. Okay, and enough talking, let's go ahead and get into the shadow. So, as you read in the title, the palette we're going to be reviewing today is the Zulu Palette by Juvia's Place. Now listen, since they've been out, I've been seeing Juvia's Place everywhere. Every time I see somebody touch their palette, it's full of pigment, full of payoff, full of color, just greatness. And so I'm just like, okay, I need one of these palettes, and I've just been putting it off. I don't know why. Long story short, I got the shit, okay? She's here. Hello, Juvia's Place. Nice to meet you. I'm TylorWithAnO. So let's see what it says on the back. The ambiance of the Zulu eyeshadow palette takes on a new character. It exemplifies the rich arts of the, I'm gonna say the Bele people of South Africa, embodied with colorful symmetry and precision. A limitless expression of self through eccentric hues, earth tones, and exotic metallic shades. I am so excited! All of their palettes are real cute or whatever. Let me start by saying that. But as you guys know, I just ordered the 350M palette not too long ago, so that gives me a lot of neutrals to play with. So I wasn't really looking for a palette that was going to be serving me very much neutrality. If I remember correctly, this palette is full of color, so I'm really excited and kind of nervous to see where we're going to be headed with this. So I took it out of the little box here. It is bubble wrapped for my protection. You know, thank you, girl. And then here we have the beautiful palette. I am so excited. This is gonna be my first time opening it, obviously, because it was still in the bubble wrap. Bam, look at these yes, come on, Corda. Look, come on, girl. This is real cute. Okay, so this is what our palette looks like. We have some matte shades at the top, a nice little orange, yellow, and brown moment. Nice little warm brown too, that's real cute. Then in the middle we have a matte, like a greenish teal shade, metallic lime green, metallic teal, metallic pink. It almost looks like it has a little gold to her. And then a matte pink and matte purple. I don't even begin to know what we're gonna do with this palette today, but I'm already so excited. So yeah, I'm about to scooch y'all in a little closer.
Come a little closer. Girl, don't make me wait too long for you.
Anyways, come a little closer. Come in. Come in. Get over here now. So we can go ahead and get into the shadow. Alright, I mean, y'all all up in my grill. I just went ahead and put some of my normal ColourPop concealer in shade 40, which is called Golden, on my lids to kind of prep them. I debated putting like a white eyeshadow primer on because I really wanted the colors to pop, but I'm gonna do this like I do all my other eyeshadows, you know, with my ColourPop, so okay. And then I'm about to go over with some translucent powder just to kind of set that. I feel like the expected thing for me to do would be to take the brown as my transition into the crease. So what I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna take this yellow here and I'm gonna put her into crease. No fallout. Oh, y'all didn't see me dab in, but there's no fallout at all. So hey, I didn't put no powder under my eyes to catch any, so let's hope it stay that way. And let's just, you know, let me just put it in now. Okay, you know, it's cute or whatever, so let's get to blending. Can already tell right away this is definitely going to be a buildable color, which I'm happy with. I was afraid it was going to be a little bit too pigmented, so I went very light-handed. Alright, so now that we got yellow as our little upper crease transition color, let's see, where do I want to go? I think what I'm gonna do next is take this pink here at the bottom, this matte pink, and I'm gonna put that in the crease. So it might be a little bit more pigmented than the other one, but you know, let's see. I don't know why I expected that color to be a little bit darker, but it's giving me very, very much neon. As y'all know, any like red and yellow or pink and yellow is gonna blend into a nice little orange gradient, so I am trying to get that going here. Oh, and this was just with one little dab of color. I haven't went in with the second layer like I did with the yellow, so keep that in mind. Oh yeah, she is serving very much fluorescent teas. She said, deep pink, who? Not me, not I, said the duck. This is an interesting shade of pink though. It's almost like that watermelon Jolly Rancher pink. I'm gonna take this brown now and put that in the outer corner to add some depth to this eye. And this is a very warm brown. It's almost giving me like burnt orange. Yeah, y'all see that? That's almost low-key what she's serving, is like some burnt orange realness. Burnt orange with a twist. Part of me wants to put this like in the inner corner too and just make like a halo type of vibe. Part of me wants to just like really like take it left and throw in this purple. Oh, what should I do? I mean, it doesn't give me, I have the whole warm thing going on, but all my other colors are cool. And I have to use a shimmer. I have to try one of the shimmers. All of my better judgment is telling me, Tyler, don't you dare put that teal with these oranges. But the creative side of me is just like, you know, do your thing, sis. So I'm gonna use the teal. So first I'm gonna take this matte teal. I feel like I should have put like some type of, either some more concealer or like, this just isn't as pigmented as I wanted it to be. Okay, so this might be cheating just a little bit, which, I mean, say what you want, that's fine. You saw how it came out. This is what the blue looks like. I still want this to be a look. I still want it to be cute. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take one of my NYX jumbo pencils, and this is in the color Electric Blue, and I'm gonna put that down as a base before I apply the blue eyeshadow. Yes, that is what I wanted to get out of the blue. Which this is a little bit metallic. That was a matte shade, so obviously it's not gonna work that way, but I'm just saying, this is the vibrancy I wanna see. Take that same brush that I was using with for the shadow, and I'm gonna kind of like blend that out. All right, so now that I got that a little blended out, I'm gonna go back with the shadow that I was using and dab that on top. There we go. Oh yeah, and that shadow is sticking so good to that jumbo pencil. I'm feeling it. All right, so now we got our blue. We're gonna go back in with our little red brush or pink brush, whatever you wanna call it, that we used, and try to blend these two together. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna take a different brush and go into this orange here, and then use the orange as like my little mixing medium to blend the teal and the pink that we put on there. I'm not mad at it. I am not mad at it. As you see, the shimmer from the jumbo pencil is coming through on that teal, which is okay, because what I'm gonna do now, and I'll just do this part with my finger. I'm gonna go into the teal shimmer that we have here in the palette, and I'm gonna lay that right on top. So see some shimmer action from Juvia. Oh, bitch. Juvia. Had you have told me. Now, can we pause, cut the tape. You let me sit there and go in with my jumbo pencil to put on the teal shadow, only to find out that your pigment was more pigmented than the girl. Look how bright that is. Before, after, bitch. Oh yes, absolutely, just what the doctor ordered. Who is she? Juvia's Place, that's who she is, that part. Oh, that is cute. Ooh, yeah. I wanna put that blue along my bottom lash line too, the matte one. I wanna just like dab that along the bottom lash line too, so we can just bring it full circle, you know? And then smoke around the, oop. Yeah, let's do it. And I've talked, oh yes, that is real cute. Real quick, I want to pop in a highlighter on the inner corner. I just have to. Actually gonna go in with Becca Opal. My little travel size one, ain't she cute? It was cute, but I'm actually gonna layer her, and I'm just gonna use this Fenty Kilowatt in Hustler Baby. I'm a hustler, baby. Oh yeah, turn it up, Riri. All right, Mama here on the packaging is serving. I don't know if y'all can see, but she's serving some little white detailing around the face. I think you know where I'm going with this. I recently picked up a white liquid liner from NYX. So I'm gonna be giving that a try for the first time today. A little scary, yes, but let's see how that goes. So I'm just gonna try to attempt a simple wing, but in white. I feel like it's just like 10 times more difficult now that the shit is white. Okay. One eye down. I don't even want to do the other one, y'all. That was stressful. Oh my god. Alright, y'all. I survived. However, homegirl on the box, you know, she got the marking. She got like little dots on her chin. Little dots coming from the eye. I think I want to go with... Should I do the eye? Should I do a forehead number? Like, I just don't know. Maybe the chin. Maybe the chin. Ooh, now that I got these, I want to do more. I'll do some along the brows. Oh yeah, that'd be cute. Cute. So that'll do. Let me go ahead and highlight this face. I've been saving that because I didn't know where we were going with this look, so I didn't know what highlighter I was going to use. But anyways, I'm going to just take the Fenty Beauty since we used it in the inner corner. Do a little 1-2 on the face. Alright guys, so here is the finished look. Yeah, serving real Zulu teas. Get into us. Come on. Wait, hold on. Y'all gotta get the inside, girl. Yes, girl. Come on. Yes. Just in time for the Black Panther premiere. This is what I'm serving to the premiere. Ticket for one, please. What movie? Oh, you know what I'm here to see. As a matter of fact, this is very much the look that I'm giving today. I definitely give the Juvia's Place palette. Now you guys saw in the video the shimmer. Amazing. Out of this world. I only tried one shade of the shimmer in this video. However, I swatched the other two. They came out great and they performed beautifully on the eye. For this look specifically, I wasn't able to pop on a pair of lashes. My lash glue is black, the lashes are black, and the eyeliner is white. So I just curled my lashes, added some mascara. As for the lip, I think I used my NYX Nutmeg pencil, and then I used a combination of nude products for the center of the lip. But I am absolutely in love with this look. The Zulu palette definitely gets a thumbs up for me. From first glance, I was like, okay, I don't have too many directions I can go with this palette. I don't know if all these colors are gonna look good together, but you see, I went there. Correct me if I'm mistaken, but I believe that this is a black-owned brand too. So, I'm here for it all the way, 10s across the board. But yeah, if you guys like this video, if you guys like this look, if you guys found this entertaining or informative or both, then definitely give this video a thumbs up and let me know how you feel about it in the comments. And more importantly, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss out on any more of this TylorWithAnO goodness. And I'll catch y'all on my next video. Peace!